All right, let me show you how to set up the quiz. And if you do it for one, it'll make it easy to do it for two. Click on Edit. Quiz questions will be empty, so we'll get to that one later. Categories correct. Go to Restrictions. You're going to make sure this says active. You're going to put a due date. Make sure this says 11:59. End date, displaying calendar. Enforce the time frame. Put 60 minutes. 5-minute grace periods, fine there. Go to Assessment. You want to make sure allow grade to be set immediately upon completion. This is where you have to add the grade item. It's a stupid thing in D2L. You have to do it twice. So quiz number 1, it's the same as what you did. Maximum points 100. Don't worry about the weights. Press save. Allow it to be exported. 2 attempts. Submission, I think it's submissions. Let me see here. Submissions, yep. Default view. You want to give them yes. You just want to show question score and out of score. We don't want to show answer. So we got that. Press save. Now let's go back and add the questions. Each quiz, I want you to have 25 multiple choice questions, and I want it to be a pool of questions. So let's say we go here, question pool. This doesn't matter at all. Quiz 1, doesn't matter. So you want to select 25 questions worth 4 points. Browse question library. We're doing chapters 1 and 2. We don't want any short answer questions. So let's see how this setup is done. Let me click on this. If it's easy, we might be okay. If not, we might be in trouble. Let me look. True, false, which are fine. Okay, so we're good. So what we're going to do is you're just going to click on this. Click here. Press add. You're just going to click on the chapter title. There you go. Press save. Look at the due date. I'll set this one up for you. It says 9/7. So this should be 4 points. Done editing there. Clock. Save and close, should be good. Final should be 50 questions worth 2 points each. Everything else should be just, if you can go through every quiz, do it like that, you'll be fine. Let me know if you have questions.